Hello beautiful people, so welcome once again to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple placket for your senator shirts. So let's get straight to this tutorial. So the first thing first, you will need a hat stay. You can measure any desire you want, any length and any width. So I use 2 inches width and 14 inches length. So this is the hat stay I'll be using. You can use the soft stay, either one works. So I'm just going to trim this out and then iron it on the fabric. So I'm just trying to find the perfect length area before placing my heart stay on it. So I'm first of all going to measure my 14 inches length plus extra 1 inch at the up and extra 1 inch at the down for folding. Then the left side, I have to take the measurement. I'll be using 2.5 at the left, then 1 inches at the right. This will be 2.5 and 1 inches at the 1 inches at the left hand side and 2.5 at the right hand side. So I'm just trying to look for the side that has the glossy area. So I'll place it on top of my fabric like so, and then give it a press. So now it's for me to take my measurements. So at the down part, I'll leave 1 inches, which will be for the folding, and also at the upper part, I'll also leave 1 inches, which will also be for the folding. Then by the right hand side, I'll leave 2.5 inches. Then the right hand side, left hand side, I'll leave 1 inch. So I'm just going to cut it out like so. So after cutting, next is for us now to fold this out. So I'm taking my measurement to be sure. At that upper part, I'll go down by 7.5, or we can use 8 inches. Then at that point, I'll go inwards by 1 inches, and I'm going to mark it straight down like so. So this part I'm marking straight down, I'm taking out 1 inches. I'm going to cut this out. That will be for the opening. So I'm just going to cut this out. So this will be easy for me to fold my plackets. That's why I'm removing the 1 inch. So that's 7 inches or 8 inches you come down from. That will be your opening. So if you're opening, your center opening, you are using 5 inches, you go down by 5 inches. But I'm using 8 inches opening. That was why. So at this right hand and left hand side, I left 1 inches allowance. I'm going to fold it inwards like so, and then give it a nice press. Then I'll fold the other side, the 2.5 inches on top of the 1 inches like so. Then I'm going to iron it and give it a nice press. So to fold it, you have to make sure that the down part is longer than the upper part. This will be easy for you when you are attaching it to the front part of the shirt. So I'm just going to fold 1.5 inch inwards like so, and then give it a nice press. So by the time you fold the 1 inches on top, you will see that the down part is longer than the upper part. This will be easy for you when you are top stitching to the fabric. So you just iron and give it a nice press, and then join this to the shirt opening. This method is very easy and simple when you're attaching to your fabric. So this is it. This is how it's going to look. You can see how nice it came out. So I'm just going to trim it out. Then for me to fold the 1 inches allowance I left for the upper parts, I'm just going to fold it like so. And I'll do the same thing to the down part. I'll also fold the 1 inches allowance I left for the down part. Then give it a nice press. So after doing this, our placket is ready, as simple as ABC. It's straightforward stuff. So just trim out any rough edges and iron all parts properly so it doesn't shift or move when you're attaching it to the shirt. See, you'll notice the down part is longer than the upper part. That is, the 2.5 inches is longer than the 1 inches. You can see how it is. So I'm just going to iron this properly before taking it to the sewing machine to attach to the shirt. You can see how nice it's looking already. So this is how it's going to look when you're done. You can see how neat is looking already. So I'm just going to fold the down part inwards like so. So after ironing, you can see how nice it's looking. So I'm just going to attach it to the senator shirt. I'll place the shirt in between so you can see how beautiful it's looking. So guys, this is the end of this tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. It's a short tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.